Hi everyone, this is the Lighthouse Lady. Today I want to give you a simple camera fix on your smartphone. I have the Samsung Galaxy J7 Crown, but it may work on any smartphone. After many hours on the phone with Samsung and my carrier, they wanted me to send them my phone, and then they would send me a new phone because it was under warranty, so I would be without my phone for at least a week. Long story short, I tried a bunch of different things, and then I decided to do a complete factory reset, because what could I lose? My phone wasn't working anyway. When you do the factory reset, it's like getting your phone on the first day when you take it out of the package. And my camera worked. It worked just as good as it did before. They had told me that because of all the new updates, and maybe there was a glitch that caused it to stop working, but nobody really knew. So try this tip before you send your phone back. Do a factory reset and let me know if it works for you. I hope this was a helpful tip. Thank you so much for watching.